So what is wise? Wise means witnessing inner song experience. Witnessing means observing from a distance without judgment, without likes and dislikes, and observing the minute details. In Sanskrit, it would be called the Sakshi Bhav. The inner means the whole drama is inside. Look inside, not at the crow, not at the mountain, but what's happening inside you. The song means the pattern, the melody, the sensation inside. And what is that sensation? It's an experience. It is not a thought, not an emotion. It is not an image. It's not an imagination. It is a sensation and energy pattern that is inside you. And wherever you can see our panelists, whichever picture they saw took them back to their own pattern, which is a very, very fixed energetic pattern inside them. So this is wise. And how can you do wise? What are the benefits? The wise process empowers the patient to look inside, acting as a therapeutic tool. Even if you give no medicine, this very awareness can free you, can make you feel better. This process serves as a good bypass from the patient's life story and situation. You can avoid the entire story and go into the experience. It helps to objectively assess the different aspects of the inner pattern by seeing which one is repetitive or synonymous or opposite. It is very useful in patients that are not progressing satisfactorily, where the physician is stuck, because the inner secret will be revealed. And it helps to access the progress of the patient. When taking a long-term follow-up, we can show the same pictures and see how his perception is changing. So it's also a tool to evaluate your treatment. So these are the benefits of wise process. How did I start with it? Misha was asking, what was the aha moment? The aha moment was, I was in Romania. I was walking with a friend of mine, Gentiana, and we were walking in a forest, and I saw this tree which you see on the left. You see? So I clicked a picture because I like taking photographs. By the way, every picture that you have seen except the wire one is taken by me. I only use my own photographs. And I took this picture and I sent it to a friend of mine in India. And then she wrote back to me, very nice. But I was not happy with the word very nice. Being a homeopath, I don't like these words. I say, what is your experience? And then she wrote, she said, there are elephants there below the tree and all these elephants are going to come and kill me. I said, wonderful. So I sent this photograph to another friend and she said something totally different. Then I sent to another man. He said something totally different. I said, wow, now is the aha moment that this picture can stimulate each one's own imagination and experience. Why can't I start using pictures? And then I took the picture of the other tree and I sent it. And I said, what happens here? So here many of them gave the opposite experience of the first tree. But that opposite was exactly the opposite of the other side. So I got both the sides of their experience. This is how the picture-wise process started. As I told you, I had already started working with doodles many years earlier, but now I started to work with pictures. And then I started looking at other wise processes such as wall, mall, posture, clay, free strokes, relationships, keyboard music, doodles, and blabber. So these are all the different wise processes that I started experimenting with as a direct path into the inner pattern of the person. Some of these you will find in this website, www.sampurnamhealing.com. You can see some pictures and some explanation of this.